All right, so Jayco's Jay Flight series probably has more bunkhouse floor plans than many other manufacturers out there, and I feel what they bring to the table is some of the best bunkhouses in the industry. This new 287 BHS is one of my favorites. Why don't you guys come on in and take a look at this? Some of the things when I think about half-ton or bunkhouse floor plans for the young families out there, the people starting out, is, I just mentioned it, half-ton trucks. Most of those families don't have crazy vehicles to tow crazy heavy things, but a half-ton truck is very commonplace, especially in the Northeast where I'm from. And so this is a perfect camper for that. Coming in at 6,200 pounds, great floor plan, large enough to spend some time if you have a bad weather day, small enough to tow it behind that realistic family vehicle. Great counter space. I'm a cook. You can tell by looking at me, and even if I was doing most of my cooking outside, I have a great place to prepare in here. Plenty of room for games, awesome couch. The bunks in this one are some of my favorites. They are larger than most of the other bunks in the marketplace, and done in a way where it doesn't eat up a lot of space, but gives the kids a great place to relax at the evening and get some of that really important sleep while we're on vacation. If you're a parent, you know what I'm talking about. Living area, or the bedroom area for the master bed, is ample, walking on both sides of the bed, so just lots of things make sense for this floor plan for me. I'm super excited to see this on the lot and see people getting out there and doing some camping in this brand new floor plan from Jayco.